Hi guys, we have here the ISO Maintamer two-step straightening system. Just want to give a quick look at this product. If you're interested in purchasing this, please visit the link in the description below. Let me go ahead and give you guys a quick 360 look at the product here, what you receive. Let me go ahead and open this up for you guys, show you guys what you'll get inside the box. So this is what you receive. You have the straightening system, step 1. And you also have the step 2 application. So it's a great quality straightening system on the cheaper end, but still does a great job from the ISO brand. So if you're interested in purchasing this or any of the ISO products, please visit the link in the description below. Please subscribe to our channel and have a great day. It also comes with the instructions on how to use this formula for normal, resistant, or previously permed or lightly highlighted or tinted hair. Not for use on heavily highlighted hair over 40%, bleach, high lift tinted hair, or previously treated with other relaxers. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.